Hey there, welcome to the Mobility Shop. I'm Justin Fox, founder and CEO of the Mobility Shop. Today I've got a special offer for you. I'd like to offer you a free folding cane. Here at the Mobility Shop, we've worked with hundreds, if not thousands of people over the years who have varying mobility issues. The one thing that often comes up is a cane can be that that initial or that first step in maintaining your mobility, maintaining your independence, and basically allowing you or your loved one to maintain their current way of life, to maintain their friendships, their relationships, to get out into the community, to sort of maintain their independence, maintain their mobility. So we are offering you today a free cane. All you need to do is just fill out the form to the side there. Definitely fill out the form. Let us know where to ship the cane, and we will be sending you a free cane. So again, we are offering you a free cane as an appreciation from us to you in celebration of our 3rd anniversary, and we feel that a cane is that first step in maintaining your independence. I know we had a family in here earlier today, and they were talking with the father, trying to convince him different options, different things that were available, whether a cane, a walker, and he was sort of hesitant to take that next step. Literally, figuratively, but the cane might have been, the option, or turned out to be the best option for him, to get him to give him that confidence, that boost to, start to maybe regain some of his mobility, which then obviously, has a ripple effect in his overall health and general well-being. So today we're offering you a free cane. Just fill out the form below, let us know where to ship it, and we will ship it to you. All right, thanks again, and have yourselves a great day.